Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. In this video we're going to be having a look at the Braun CJ3000 Citrus Juicer. I'm going to get it out of its box and show you what comes with it. We're going to plug it in and give it a go, and then I'll let you know my thoughts.
Okay then, so let's have a look what comes in the box. There's the juicer. We've got some instructions. Bit of power cable in here. Take the juicer out. It's fairly self-explanatory. There's no on-off button. You just plug it in, and then when you press down with the orange, it activates the juicer. So on the bottom, there's a dial, and this basically allows you to control how much pulp you let through. So at the moment it's on 1, but as you rotate it, the gap here gets bigger and allows more pulp through. All of it except the base. Obviously you can go in the dishwasher. This comes off with a rotation. Right then, we're all plugged in. Let's see how we juice some oranges. Juiced. That was really simple. It's got 350 milliliter capacity. 20 watt motor. I'm pushing down really hard and it's not giving any resistance. As you can see, it's juicing these oranges really easily. It's got these kind of agitators here that stir up the pulp. So as it's going around, it doesn't get bunged up. If I zoom in there, this gap here is adjusted when you move the base. So that's on minimum at the moment. Now it's much bigger. It lets more pulp through. So I've juiced 4 fairly large oranges there. You can see the pulp that has come off it. And then to remove this, you just twist it from the base, and once it gets to 5, it takes off. So there's the juice. More than my glass can handle, I think. No, we're okay. Then to wash this and the juicer, just pop it in the dishwasher.
Cheers. So overall, would I recommend the CJ3000 Citrus Press from Braun? And the answer is definitely. I've reviewed a couple of juicers on this channel before. The one I use the most is the Philips Juice Press, but this one is definitely better. Because of the way it spins and agitates the juice pulp, it is easier to use. It gets more juice out of the pulp without having to wiggle it with a spoon or something like that. If you want something really simple to use for juicing lemons, oranges, limes, that kind of thing, I would highly recommend it. It's usually available around the £24 mark. I'll put a link in the description below to where you can buy it. As always, if you found this video useful, please hit subscribe to be notified of my latest videos. And if you've made it this far, thank you for watching.